Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change Shopify store password. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. I'm on the main page of Shopify, and here we want to go to online store and just click on online store. And this will automatically take us to the themes page. If we scroll down a little bit, you will see this. Your online store is password protected, and we can remove the password or manage it. So I will simply click on manage password here, and it will automatically take us to this page where we have the password itself, and we can change it by typing out something new, for example professor. And after you have typed this out, you will simply click on save, and now you have successfully changed your Shopify store password to this one. So that's basically how you can change Shopify store password. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.